Yeah? You want him to go forward? Tell him. Pay attention. Make him go where you want to go. Where do you want to go? Alright, pull over. Reach and pull over. Pull over. Pull over, Judd. There you go. Pull over. There you go. Now put your hand down. Good job. Now what? Make him go where you want to go. You're doing so good. There you go. Tell him. And put your hand down. There you go. Do you want him to stop or go?
Go.
All right, there you go. There you go.
No.